In this video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering while watching Netflix on PC. If you're experiencing screen flickering while watching Netflix on your PC, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, you can go ahead and open your browser. Now, on your browser, if you're watching Netflix on a browser, clearing the cache can help resolve flickering issues. So go ahead and head over into the history section and click on this history button under that. Now, on the history page, head over to the delete browsing data section, and in here, go ahead and delete your cache. Another thing that you can do to resolve this problem is to disable unwanted extensions. So head back into your browser, click on the top right of your screen, click on that extensions button under the drop down. So click on extensions and click on manage extensions. Now in here, go ahead and disable unwanted extensions. Some browser extensions may interfere with Netflix playback. Try disabling them. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and update graphics driver. So you need to go ahead and open your device manager. Now on your device manager, go ahead and click on update for your graphics driver. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and log out from other devices. If your Netflix account is logged in on multiple devices, logging out from unused ones may help. And the last option that you can do is to go ahead and try a different browser. Some users report better performance on Firefox or Edge compared to Chrome. That's basically how you can fix screen flickering while watching Netflix on PC. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.